Definition of polyline. A polyline is a connected sequence of line segments created as a single object. You can create straight line segments, arc segments, or a combination of the two. Some reasons you may choose to use polylines include the following. Vertices remain joined even after grid edging. How to use polyline. Draw a polyline. Click line. Specify the first point of the polyline. Specify the endpoint of the first segment. Continue specifying segments as needed. Polylines can be composed of straight lines or arcs. Press Enter to end the command, or choose Close Shape to close the polyline to its original start point.
In this tutorial, we will learn PolyLine command. So before going for PolyLine, at first we will understand what is the difference between line and PolyLine. So suppose we create some line and we will create some PolyLine. So both looks the same. The only difference is when we click on the line, each object is separate. Whereas when we click on polyline, this is a single object. That means line is an individual separate object and polyline is a single object. So if you want to convert polyline into simple line, so for that you will have to use explode tool. Explode, select the object and enter. So your polyline will get converted into simple line. And if you want to convert simple line into polyline, so for that you will have to use join tool. So click on this join and select all the object and press enter. So in this way your simple line will get converted into polyline. So let's start how to use this polyline. So use of polyline is same as line command. So you will have to click on polyline. So PL is the shortcut. Polyline. Click the start point. If you want it straight, click on this ortho mode on. So your line will come straight. Then give the length. Now suppose if I want arc here, so you can choose this arc option. Then go up and give the diameter of the arc and press enter. And from here suppose now arc, he is drawing arc only, but I want a line. So for that you will have to click on this line. So you can continue with the line. And if you want to join this point and this point, you can click on this close option. So your start point and end point will be connected automatically. So in this way you can use the polyline. Then what are the other options that we will see? Polyline, give the start point. Then here you can view the half width option is there. So if you want your line to be thickened, then you can give the half width. Suppose I give here half width of 0.1 and that half width is for starting, and same way you will have to specify half width for ending also. Suppose I will take it the same. Suppose I will take 0.1. So in this way here you can view a thickened polyline is created. Give the second point, and if you want same way, if you choose the width option, then you will have to give the full width. You don't have to give the half width. Suppose So as we have given the half width of 0.1, therefore here you can view that width is 0.2, that is double of the half width. Suppose I want width to be of zero point 0.3 and ending width also of zero point 0.3. Press enter. So here a line of zero point 0.3 width will be created. And same way, if you can give the different width or half width for start and end also. Suppose again I will click on width, then suppose I will take zero point 0.3 as a starting width, press enter, and ending width suppose I will give it to be zero point 0.8, enter. Then in this way your line will be created. A slope line will be created. So start width will be zero point 0.3 and end width will be zero point 0.8. So in this way you can give different widths also for start point and end point. Then next option, polyline, give the start point. So length in the case again, if you want to cancel your widths, so click on the width and specify start width of suppose 0 and end width of 0. So again you can draw in simple line without any width. So length is same, you can give length from here also, and undo will cancel the last line that you created, width, length, half width, close, then arc. So in arc you will see more options. So when we see directly we can give the diameter, or you can choose the different parameter also. So you can create arc with width or half width also. Same way you can specify the center point. Suppose I want center to be at a distance of 5, enter. Then you will have to specify the end angle in ending angle. So end point you will have to specify the angle, how much 180-degree angle I want, click there. And if you want to close the start point and end point in arc mode, so directly click on this close. So your arc will be created connecting the start point and the end point. So in this way you can use polyline command. So thank you. We will stop here.